Today, we're going to build an ATDP using 16 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a 1x2 plate piece with these side clips. And on top of that 1x2 plate piece with side clips, I'm going to grab a 1x2 jumper plate and just put that right on top of those studs. So that jumper plate has that center stud. And now this was a Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar design for an ATST, but I'm modifying it to making an ATDP, and this is the first major modification. I'm gonna grab a 1x1, 1x1 bracket plate and put that on the center stud so that it hangs over the opposite end of my clips. There's the clips, and there's that bracket stud on the side. This is going to be the front cannon, because the biggest difference with the ATDP is it's got that one center lower cannon. To create that cannon, I've got that bracket piece. I'm going to grab one 1x1 plate piece and just put it on that side stud, because I need to bring out the cannon a little bit more when I close off the side, so it's not just hidden, it sticks out more. And now I can add the cannon, which is this rounded 1x1 tile piece of the pin holder, and just put it on that 1x1 plate I put on the side, and now I've kind of created the front lower cannon to my ATDP. And now I'm going to build up. So to build up, I'm going to grab a Travis brick. I'm going to put that Travis brick on that top stud of the 1x1 bracket plate. And then to create the front, I need to have it sloped. And to get that slope, I'm going to use a cheese wedge slope, and I want the thin end on top and the thick end down, sloping down towards the cannon. And now I got to close off the sides. Now I've got the front done, I got to close off the sides. And I close off the sides with a 2x2 facet piece. And what I want for the facet piece is I want the flat end on top, it to slope down the front and then go straight down. So here's my cannon, here's the top. I want to line them up so that that end attaches to the Travis brick like this, and it kind of closes off the end. And of course, you're going to do that to both sides. Make sure those are lined up, my 2x2 facet plate lined up. There we go, put it in. And I've got the head. Now all I have left to do is the back. And for the back, I'm gonna grab a 1x2 tile piece and just go across the back to make this more smooth. And so what I wanna do is just wanna line it up so that tile piece is perfectly centered and lines up smooth, so I've got a nice kind of squared head for my ATDP. And now all I have left to do are the legs, those two kind of walking legs for my ATDP. And to do that, I'm gonna grab a 1x2 plate with bar handle here, and a 1x1 rounded plate with bar handle. I'm gonna put that rounded plate on the bottom stud so it's sticking out the opposite end, and that gives me a bar handle on the top and the bottom. And for that 1x1 round plate with the bar handle on the bottom, I'm gonna grab a 1x1 tile to be the foot of my ATDP, click it on that bottom handle. Now I've got that top handle, I'm gonna put it into the back clips of that 1x2 plate I started out with, so the studs are facing forward. So studs are facing forward. And now I do that twice because it's got two legs, otherwise it's gonna fall down before anybody attacks it. But there's those plates, put them together, tile clip, put it on the bottom, put it on the last clip, and there is my completed ATDP.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.